Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2007 Yamaha YZF-R1. This bike's got a little over 15,000 miles on it and is in excellent condition. Let's take our walk around it, we'll look at all the highlights, and then we will fire this bad boy up. This leader bike's been very well taken care of. Comes with a clean tinted windscreen. Front tire's still in good shape, got a lot of miles left on that. Comes with flush mount front blinkers, frame sliders, tank pad, GYTR twin pipes. And as you can see by the side of this bike, everything is nice and clean on it. We will be putting a new rear tire on this bike. Comes with the fender eliminator and aftermarket rear blinkers. Seats are in good shape. Like I said, tank, no dents, no scratches, no rock chips. Just a good looking leader bike. And again, frame slider, flush mount fronts, tinted windscreen. This bike also does have HIDs in it, which you'll see when we fire it up. 15,129 is what's on it. This R1 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.